Well, today is my birthday. But before you wish me a happy birthday, I should probably tell you my unconventional, unpopular view on birthdays. I've shared this with some of my audiences when I speak, and it's not always a very popular viewpoint. But here's my take on birthdays. I think that birthdays are kind of dumb. And not if you're a kid, right? I mean, if you're a little kid, it's your special day. Let's have some cake and some ice cream, and you get presents, and you have a party with your friends, and it's an awesome opportunity for you to feel special. I think that's a great thing. But if you are an adult, you're 25, you're 44, you're 52, and you want everyone to get excited about celebrating your birthday, I just don't think you deserve recognition on your birthday. I think your birthday is the one day in your whole life that you had the least to do with. What exactly did you accomplish on your birthday? There you were. Now, I'm not saying someone doesn't deserve a party. I believe we should start a movement that the mothers get a party. You had 3 kids, you get 3 birthday parties every year with cake and ice cream and presents. You got 6 kids, 6 parties for you because you accomplished something extraordinary that day. You made a person. And I think that should be celebrated. And so that's the movement I'd like to start. Now, I'm not saying I don't believe in celebrations, but what I believe should really be celebrated is accomplishments. You know, whenever I meet somebody who's an adult and they make a really big deal out of their birthday, right? And you probably met these people, right? They want everyone to know that their birthday's coming up. They tell people what they want for their birthday ahead of time. They clear their calendar for the whole day and sometimes the whole weekend. I've had people tell me, oh, I can't go to that business conference. That's my birthday weekend. Or God forbid, that's my birthday month. And I'll tell you, this is the part that ruffles some feathers and not everybody likes it. But I do think there's a relationship to the degree that an adult wants to celebrate their own birthday and be honored on their special day. To the degree that they want to do that, I know that they've accomplished very little with their life, right? Because people who've accomplished extraordinary things in their life and celebrated those accomplishments, they don't need to make a big deal out of their birthdays. In our own personal family, we celebrate the birthdays for the kids. And our kids, some of them are teenage. Our kids are, we have 1 in her 20s and 2 that are teenagers. And we still have birthday parties. It was my wife's birthday last week. We had a birthday party for her and we had some cake and ice cream. I'm not cold-hearted. I'm not anti-birthday parties. I'm just telling you. I'm more for celebrating someone else's birthday, right? I've thrown surprise parties for my friends. I did a big surprise party for Kathy on her 40th birthday. If I know it's your birthday, I'm going to wish you a happy birthday. And I appreciate it when someone wishes me a happy birthday because I know your heart and it's a token of your friendship. And I really do appreciate that. The point of the whole message, though, isn't really about birthdays as much as it is about what do you celebrate. What's important enough in your life that you're wanting to celebrate? I hope you have some goals and dreams that you are pursuing. And when you hit those, I hope you celebrate. In our family, we have birthday parties for the kids. We really do. I'm not some horrible dad. But the big celebrations we have in our house are when people have accomplishments. My daughter Amanda started taking karate classes when she was probably 7 or 8 years old. And she worked really hard, went to classes several days a week. She trained and trained. 4 years later, she earned her black belt. The instructors there, Renshi and Shihan told us that, only 1 or 2% of kids that start karate classes ever make it to the black belt level. So you know what? We had a big party at our house and we invited all of our friends. I spent $300 to have one of those Cake Boss style cakes made to celebrate her accomplishing something amazing with her life, something most people will never accomplish in their whole life. My daughter Natalie, when she and her dance team won the World Championship of Dance. She's been training for dance for years and years and years, probably like a decade. Her team worked so hard. They qualified for the Worlds. I think the first year that she went, they didn't place in the top 3. But her team, her junior year of high school, they won the World Championship, best team in the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, your 2018 Dance World Champion. Congratulations to Star Performance Center, Super Large, Columbia, Liberty Township, Ohio.
Man, did we celebrate that. All the parents did, the kids did. It's something they're never going to forget, and that so outshines, like, hey, it's my birthday. In Logan's case, Logan's biggest accomplishment so far, he set a goal with his YouTube channel. I made a video about it, you may have seen, and he was growing these subscribers. And I told him when he got to 10,000 subscribers and 1 million views of his videos, I would take him to Europe to celebrate. And when he hit that, we went to Europe. In 2018, we did a 23-day trip to Europe, me and Logan. And we were in Spain and Italy and Germany and Switzerland and France and the Netherlands and Sweden and the UK. And boy, what a celebration that was. But that celebration so outshined any birthday party he's ever had. Even though he's had a couple of big birthday parties. A couple of times Logan has had open invitation birthday parties at Kings Island for anybody who watches his YouTube channel that wanted to come and celebrate with him. Those were kind of fun. That was kind of more for the fans than it was for him. But hopefully you get the point that what I recommend that you celebrate is accomplishments in your life. That's something you should be proud of, not just hey, the earth went around the sun one more time. I know some people my age and older, they're like, we made it another year. And maybe they are celebrating. Once you get up to like 98, 99, 100, well, then your birthday is an accomplishment. So you should probably have a big party. So I'm not expecting you or anyone else to give me some cake or some presents today. I'm really not expecting that. And I hope you don't expect that to me. It's very unlikely that I'm going to get anybody a birthday present. But what I will do is I'll give people a book, right? I've given away thousands of books. We're sitting in my home library right now. But I've given away literally thousands of books to people on topics like happiness and success and marriage and parenting and goal setting and leadership. And it's not like I'm not a giving person. And I've celebrated, right? Me and my friends, when someone hits a new accomplishment in their business or in their life, we go out and we get chicken wings. That's our thing. And I've, dozens, if not hundreds of times had celebratory chicken wings with friends of mine and partners of mine when they've accomplished great things. I've spent my whole life trying to help people accomplish extraordinary things. And I would love, honestly, to help you. If you're somebody who has some big goals in your life, or you're someone who'd like to have some big goals in your life, send me an email, send me a message, make a comment on this video, and maybe there's a way that I can help you. If I can, I will. That's really what my passion is, what I would love to do. That's what I would love to do between now and my next birthday, is help another few people, another couple dozen people, a few more 100 people accomplish extraordinary things in their life, right? Figure out ways to maybe start their own business, get out of debt, accomplish some health and wellness goals they have a better marriage, become better parents. That's my passion. And so if you want to give me a present, let me know a goal that you're working on. And if there's something I can help you with, please let me know.